Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and modify a workout on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. But keep in mind, you need to have a paid subscription to be able to use the ladder application, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time. So once you have done that, we can get started with using it. Here at the bottom of the screen we have the team section, from where we can get started selecting the team we want to be a part of, and it's going to give us different types of exercises. And once you've done that, you can go back to the workout page. So let's go and take a look at how to modify a workout. So we can use the modifications feature to swap movements, adjust equipment, or delete exercises before starting. So let's go ahead and open up any of the workouts right here. It's going to look like this, from where we can go and take a look at the workout preview, and then we can go and scroll down. As you can see, once you scroll down, you can go ahead and find the workouts you have, and clicking the three dots right here next to them is going to enable us to either delete them or click on them to go ahead and swap them with a different workout. As you can see, by clicking the swap button, it's going to enable us to modify it, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.